How to create videos with ChatGPT. So as you may all know, OpenAI's Sora or web app is not available anymore. So you'd basically open up ChatGPT and just use it for creating your video scripts or generating visuals for your videos or your scenes. So for example, you can give it a prompt for a topic, target audience, video length, and style. And once you get the script, you can basically ask it to create images or visual assets for each scene that you're creating. And for the voiceovers, you can also use ChatGPT's voice. So you can basically write the script and it will generate a voiceover based on the script, or you can use any third-party text-to-speech tools. Now, once you've gathered the assets or the visuals, the voiceover, and any images, you can assemble the video using any video editor like CapCut, where you can start putting the generated images or video clips along with any narrations, music, captions, and transitions. And then you would basically export the final result video, like for the appropriate format, whether it's for YouTube, TikTok, or any other types of shorts or long format videos. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.